crying little.
Hi everyone, it's Jacqueline and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some studying tips and tricks that have helped me a lot throughout the years. But before we get into this video, I'm so happy to announce that this video is actually sponsored by Wondershare HiPDF, and I'll be talking a lot more about them later on in this video. So stay tuned till the very end of this video. Don't forget to click like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So for my very first tip is to list down and categorize your tasks based on their priorities. And I usually divide them into 4 main categories, which are important and urgent, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and not important and not urgent. And then now I'm going to list down my to-do list based on that category. So for example, for the important and urgent list are usually my uni homework and other presentation. Even when I still have a couple of days or weeks till the deadline, I always try my best to finish all of this first before doing anything else. The important but not urgent is usually related to my YouTube, so I list down my video ideas and also the video that I will need to film and edit. The urgent but not important are usually my housework, and not urgent and not important stuff are usually keeping up with my social medias. This way you can decide on which task that you should do right away and which one to plan, which one to delegate, and which one to eliminate. I find that this method has helped me a lot in prioritizing on which tasks that are more important and more urgent so I can do them first. I also think that by doing the more important and more urgent stuff first and then going down on the list has helped me to do everything at the end, even the non-important and urgent stuff, because I think that when you finish your priorities first, you'll end up having a lot more time to do the smaller stuff. So after you categorize your task into 4 different categories, I would usually make a detailed to-do list, because personally for me, to-do list is such an important thing to do that will help me to keep track of everything that I should be studying and everything that I should be doing next, and it just helped me to be a little bit more organized. And sometimes I would even make a detailed to-do list inside that bigger to-do list, if you know what I mean. Let me just show you how. So I divide my to-do list into 2 sections today, which is my uni work and also my YouTube to-do list. And here are some examples on my uni to-do list. I'm currently having a journal to read. That means that I would have to find the journal first and then consult with my doctor and then start making the presentation and then do another consultation. As for my YouTube video to-do list, I would have to film the makeup look and then film the B-rolls, edit the video, edit the voiceover, start uploading, then edit the description and other stuff, and then edit my thumbnail and then prepare for the premiere. So as you can see right here, it's a little bit more detailed. So my tip number 3 is to find an application that will make your life easier. Wondershare HiPDF is one of the best examples that I could give, because I'm so happy to be collaborating with them, because as a student myself, I have to deal with a lot of PDF files and journals and books, and Wondershare HiPDF has been very helpful with dealing with all of that, and now let me show you why. So Wondershare HiPDF is an all-in-one PDF editor from which you can get powerful features to edit, review, protect, sign, and convert your PDFs. You can have access to Wondershare HiPDF through their website hipdf.com, and as you can see right here, they have plenty of tools that you can utilize. For example, PDF to Word, Word to PDF, PDF to Excel, to PNG, and more. You can also compress your PDF, merge, crop, edit, unlock, and many other features. To make things even easier, you can download them into your Mac or Windows, and you can have access to all of the tools via the app as well. And now I'm going to show you how I compress my file. So this book initially has 92.2 megabyte, which could take a lot of space in my computer, and it is only 19.9 megabyte after I compressed it. Other tools that I love using is the Encrypt PDF to protect your PDF files and put a password in it. So for example, I want to secure this file, I'll just have to add my password and then click apply. It is as simple as that, and now the file is protected, and this is important for your project and other files that you don't want other people to see. So if you haven't used Wondershare HiPDF, please make sure to try them out, and I will leave their link down in the description box, and they will also give a 60% off only for my subscribers, so please make sure to click and check the link down in the description box. So my next tip, which is the tip number 4, is to create a productive time frame. So for example, in the morning I would have a lot of classes, and after the class I would feel so tired, so drained, and so burnt out, so I wouldn't be able to study even more. So what I usually love doing is to refresh my mind by doing something else that is still very productive. For example, making this video or editing my other videos, and then later on in the evening I would start studying and finish all of my uni work. Apart from that, try to find your best and your most productive hours. So for example, for me, I study better in the evening, so I would usually spend my entire evening for studying, and I would usually do the rest of the stuff on the middle of the day or in the morning. So have you ever heard of Pomodoro technique? So basically this technique will help you to achieve your studying goals by using 5 simple steps that I will try my best to explain it right here. So for the first step is to decide on the task that should be done, and then the second step is to set your timer into 25 minutes. The third one is to study or to do your task for 25 minutes, and then the fourth step is to take a 5 minute of breaks. So after this 4 simple steps, you would have to repeat the cycle for 4 times, and we can go into the last and final step, which is to take a 15 to 30 minutes of break. I think that this technique will help you to be more concentrated on your studying goals and eventually finish all of your tasks and your studying to the list. So those are the tips and tricks that I usually use whenever I'm studying in order to be more productive and to finish all of my studying goals. Thank you so much Wondershare HiPDF for partnering with me in this video. Don't forget to click your link down in the description box to get a 60% off only for my subscribers. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!